When we'll go into people's homes, they'll say, "Hey, I don't know that all my windows are bad." They'll be like, "I know this one's bad and I know this one's bad." And you can go look, and the answer is all the windows in the home are typically the same age. The home was built at the same time. They don't, sometimes you'll have it, these have been replaced, these haven't. But the vast majority of the time, every window in the home was installed the same day and made the same day. And so some will be worse than others because of the side of the home and the amount of elements it gets. And to be very honest, the sun is the enemy of most windows. And so that's what damages the frame or damages the seals, because when it's in the sun, everything expands. When it's out of the sun, everything contracts. And when you have the contraction and expansion, that movement causes window frames, whether they're vinyl frames, whether they're wood frames, whether they're metal frames, that contraction and expansion affects the glass package, the glass seals, the framing, the heart, how everything fits together, operates, etc. And so when we go in, there will be worse windows. It'll be like, hey, we know, I'm just making this up, we know the living room windows are bad. Those are the ones that you're here for. But when you go exploring to the rest of the house, pretty much every window on that side of the house will have all the same problems. It's just that in the bedroom, they're behind the curtains, behind the headboard. Nobody sees them. It's downstairs in little Billy's room, and we never look at little Billy's windows, and stuff like that. And so there is a priority. It's like, yeah, this one's about to fall out, or this one's completely rotted. Okay, yes, that's priority number one. But you can typically say every window on one side of the house is usually as bad as all the others. But then you have a whole nother thing here called affordability. It's not everybody can afford to do a whole house or even a whole side of house of windows, depending on how many windows there are on that side, obviously. And so our sales folk, when they come out to see people, they'll walk to every window. Well, one, we'll literally measure every window so that we can give you an accurate bid, but two, we'll look and assess about, hey, this has got rotted this or bad this or that, and we'll be able to tell the homeowner, and most often the homeowner's aware, but there are times where the homeowner's like, I didn't even know that. It's like, we know these four are bad. I can see it when every time I'm out back grilling, I see this. But then when you go over to this other window that the homeowner never sees, it's like, hey, it's doing the very same thing. And they're like, oh my gosh. Or, well, when we go to measure, we measure from inside. We'll open blinds and move it. And it's like, you'll discover wood rot or water has gotten in, and they'll be like, I didn't even know. So we do an inspection of every window. We try to go into a person's home and measure every window in their house. One, to give them a bid, but two, to hopefully sell them a house full of windows, but also to make them aware of, this is your priority, this isn't your priority, this one's bad, this one isn't, and just to give them a complete education on what they have. The goal is, when a person does their windows, they'd like all their windows to be great, all their windows to be efficient, all their windows to function. But then there's the reality of affordability and budget. And so it's like, we do our best to meet all that criteria. And we'll, all of my employees will tell you the straight up truth about, you really need to do that one, or no, that one's not really that bad, or whatever, because, you need to know.